Hi, I'm Winston for Funkykit.com, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the MSI GE65 Raider RGB 9SF gaming laptop. This laptop uses Intel's latest 9th generation Core i7 9750H, operating on a frequency of 2.6 GHz and a boost speed of 4.5 GHz. It also comes with 16 GB of DDR4 2666 RAM, and it also comes with 2 hard drives. One is a 512 GB boot drive, and the other one is a 1 TB hard drive for storage. One of the main selling points of this gaming laptop is the 15.6-inch IPS panel with a refresh rate of 240 Hz, giving you a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080. For graphics, this laptop also comes with the GeForce RTX 2070 with 8 GB of GDDR6 RAM. Unlike other gaming laptops, the RTX 2070 in this model is not the Max-Q version, so the graphics performance should be a little bit better. Other features include the Perky RGB gaming keyboard from SteelSeries, as well as the killer Ethernet LAN and the Wi-Fi 6. With such a powerful gaming laptop, you need that extra cooling, and the GE65 Raider comes with 7 heat pipes, twin fans, and all of this can be monitored and controlled by the Dragon Center software. I would love to see how this laptop will perform against other similar spec models out there. So without further ado, let's do a quick unboxing, look at the features in depth, and run some benchmarks. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we have the MSI GE65 Raider 9SF gaming laptop. Let's do a quick unboxing. Okay. All right. So we have a box here with your power pack. There's a instruction manual and a quick start guide, as well as the warranty service book. The laptop. It's got a nice envelope, like a material, nice cloth material there for your cover. Let's have a look at this laptop here. Alright, here we go. Okay, so let's do this. I love this. Yeah. Alright. If you look at the laptop, it's quite nice and thin, but it is quite weighty. Comes in around about 2.2 kilos. If you look at the design, it has a nice gaming feel to it, and a nice MSI logo right there. At the base, you can see all the vents here for cooling. Okay, and you also have vents on either side, left and the right as well. There's also a nice Raider logo right there, and yeah. Okay, so let's start off with some of the connectivity. On this side we have the power port, there's an SD card reader, and also 2 USB ports right here. Okay, moving on to this side, we have a headphone and mic jack right there, USB-C. There's also one USB 3 there, the mini display port, as well as HDMI, and the RJ45 LAN for the killer Ethernet. Alright, so let's open this up. Okay, nice. Okay, we have nice keyboard protection cloth right there. Okay, that's your webcam, top of the screen there, and right away you have some nice stickers there showing you the 240 Hz ultra fast panel. Yes, and it's powered by the GeForce RTX 2070, not the Max-Q version. And then we have the Intel logo, the Core i9 9750H, as well as the RTX 2070, and you can see the SteelSeries logo right there. Okay, let's power this up, and you can see right away the RGB keyboards in effect. Very nice. At the top here we have the power button, and the fan control, as well as the keyboard on or off. So if I click on this one, we have different styles of keyboard, RGB lighting right there. Yeah, very nice. And I like these. These are the USB ports. They are actually lit up red. There's two on this side and one on this side. I think this is a very good laptop for what it is, with a 240Hz panel, full HD resolution, and powered by RTX 2070, and also the latest Intel 9th generation Core i7 9750H. Alright, so that was a quick unboxing of the MSI GE65 Raider 9SF gaming laptop. Let's run some benchmarks and see how it performs. We'll see you in a bit.
In a world dominated by fruits, a world where everybody looks the same and feels the same, and lack of identity can be overwhelming, only one thing has the power to change this, and that's you. This summer, be different.
The game just got real. Be different with MSI's GE65 Raider.
Everything about the MSI GE65 Raider 9SF screams gaming, and if this isn't what you're looking for, then I don't know where to start. The onboard GeForce RTX 2070 with 8GB of GDDR6 RAM, and thank God it's not a Max-Q design, does an excellent job in producing great results in all of our benchmarks, which in turn of course gives you high frame rates during gaming. The included 15.6-inch IPS panel with full HD and a refresh rate of 240Hz looks absolutely gorgeous and is perfect for gaming. And to add to this, the whole laptop is powered by a fast Intel 9th generation Core i7 9750H processor, as well as 16GB of RAM rated at DDR4 2666. During our tests, it produced excellent scores in all of our benchmarks, including an impressive score of 5183 in PC Mark 10 and a high score of 4050 in 3D Mark Port Royale. For Time Spy and Fire Strike, we got a score of 6876 and 15,638 respectively. The Per-Key RGB gaming keyboard from SteelSeries, along with the 4-speaker Dano audio sound system, are an added bonus. You also get the killer Ethernet LAN, as well as Wi-Fi 6, and of course the HD webcam at 720p resolution. With MSI's Dragon Center software, it allows users to monitor the status of the laptop, including temperatures, cooling, memory usage, RGB lighting, audio and gaming preferences. For connectivity, you get the mic in and audio headphone out, as well as the killer LAN port and SD card. There's 2 USB ports, 1 HDMI, 1 mini display port, and of course USB-Cs and the USB 3.1 ports as well. Once again, MSI have produced an excellent gaming laptop that's worthy of our Editor's Choice Award. The MSI GE65 9SF with the RTX 2070 easily matched my expectations and more, ticking all the right boxes where it matters. It offers excellent performance and a great feature list, including a gorgeous 240Hz IPS panel, all for under $2,000 US. You can check out our full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And And there you have it. This is the MSI GE65 Raider RGB 9SF gaming laptop. It's one of the sweetest laptops that we've actually tested to date, offering great performance, a nice 240Hz panel, and also full resolution with a ton of features. So here's my final thought. When you're in a Starbucks next, I hope you won't be like all the others, but be different. Get yourself the MSI GE65 Raider RGB 9SF. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually subscribe to our YouTube channel and also visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.